Hi guys, thanks for enrolling in my course that is how to become a professional boxer and how to train for boxing. My name is Mubashir Ishaq and my course has 5 sections. And in the first section I'm gonna teach you how to become a professional boxer, and the lectures are joining, beginning your training, becoming an amateur boxer, becoming a professional boxer, and question answers are included. And guys, in the next section you will be able to learn how to train for boxing and how to focus on your punching techniques. And the lectures are training your hands, training your feet, training for a fight. And the question answers are included. And guys, in the third section you can see helpful articles that is about how to wrap your hands for boxing. And of course question answers are included. And guys, in the next section I will teach you how to develop defense in boxing. And the lectures are positioning your body, dodging punches and blocking punches, and using other training techniques. And the question answers are also included. And guys, in the last section you can also see helpful articles that is about how to block a punch. And the lectures are blocking a punch with your body, blocking with a parry, and blocking a punch in the ring. And the tips are included. So guys, if you will get this course, you will be able to learn how to become a professional boxer, how to train for boxing, how to focus on your punching techniques, how to wrap your hands for boxing, how to develop defense in boxing, and how to block a punch. Well guys, I have explained each and everything step by step about become a professional boxer and train for boxing. So guys, if you really want to be a professional boxer, then this is the right time to get this course. So let's get started.